Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2. Actually we call it actually Part 337. West Coast Arena, reverse at night time, mostly we deal done. This is actually a special edition because I see it as actually 8 o'clock PM here right now in Bavaria, Germany. Hope you have fun. I'm mostly actually trying to get how many cars we have? 114 cars to go through with one stanch actually in here to get through in the West Coast Arena. Down below in the description in kind of a 2 minutes you get actually the newest Gamesave link number 6 on CarX D.R.O from the 24th April, and also you get a modifier direct link actually for download the CarX Duo GS for 2 accounts from Definition CB and DjVolgin account for myself, the CarX D.R.O Gamesave link 6 down below the description, and Spotify's new list Definition CarX D.R.O 2024 playlist. Shall we change that? Can we change that? Let's see. You have to link and you have to give your best here. Getting this away. Take number 4 and save it. Saved, okay. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. Here we go. Need the IDs, please. Your daylight, your calling, your recording, and your game tab, please. CarX Drift Racing Online saved. Here we go. We done.
Hello all, for a smart wise online night on West Coast Arena at night at also reverse. Enjoy.
Ist das schon wieder 1000 weiß der Teufel was oder wie? Oh hell. Tick, tick, tick. Ja, warum macht es das? Hör auf damit. Es gibt nichts. Was ist denn hier? Es ist überhaupt nichts. Was macht denn das Ding? Ist ja fürchterlich. Warum macht das Facebook, das so dermaßen? Eine Katastrophe ohne Ende. Verwirrend. Na, ich bin bereit. Alles gut. Actually starting off with the beginner car, that was the Corolla. And trying to end up after so many actually cars, 114 car, the Quaranta? What was it again? Quaranta? Then used car, a Ronin GT as well. So let's start up actually with Hashiroko 86. Ganbarimasu. Oh man. Where is this guy? Sure, send him somewhere else. Camera, video setting. What about not so large? Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Good. Better. What's wrong with you, dude? Ik kan het wel met hem scheiß. Oh, was liegt denn? Weiß man nicht. Nah, poison the sun, crack. Whatever. Got a mouse. That's daylight, dude. Oh crack, I didn't press the L2 button. That's fucked up. We roasted ourselves already. I said nighttime, right? Good. Nighttime. So it doesn't matter, I'll be right back. Oh, something's with my hip. What can it be? I do not know. Welcome back to CarX Part 2, Part 337. Kind of a cause actually, West Coast Arena, driving at night with all the cars, 114 cars from 116 cars I have. Maybe it's a Part 1, Part 2, I can't decide right now, it's a live stream. If you joined in, down below the description you find actually some new actually updated definition CarX D.R.O 2024 right now. Upgraded Ost playlist on Spotify. That finds into funk, well, electronic, dance, some other game Ost tracks actually it finds into, and I feel actually with this that the drifters need something like this one as well. I think there's over 300 songs right now on the playlist since last year, so enjoy. I'm really trying on the toilet right now to find out what's going on really on with my stomach. I can't pee, I can't shit. I don't know what's going on. Not even a fart. Maybe I ate yesterday too many vegetables on this crack. That's weird. I can't even make a drip of pee. Weird. Doesn't matter. Let's drink more beer. and find out until actually the bubble explodes. Tits. What? Already so many beer. Oh, still there's something wrong then. Man, music is so loud. She's up campaign, so obviously so let's go. Did that next stream? Nighttime, of course. Here we go. Let's beat the 2000 points. The first beginner car you can have, or the Monster M5 or MR5. Comes later on. Short rush, 100 points, XP if you won, and gold. So you can color this up. Right, girls? Oh. Got an idea. Gambaremos. Couldn't do. Okay, next one. Flame. What did I just do wrong? Next vehicle, you have 114 tries with difficult vehicles to find out by yourself what the first vehicle just did doing wrong. Oh, come on, this bullshit. I'm using all the times mostly actually these are 100% tires. These 100% tires are street tires. The 110% tires are drift tires. So as an example for you guys out there, this car actually used 100% vehicle tires. If you just push it up or something like in the beginning here, you can have 110. The drift tires. These are full professional actually drift tires. There is so much, and so many people talked about myself. This is bullshit what I'm talking, because this is rubber off tires. I just use slick tires for me. These are street tires, and the 110% tires are drift tires, and they are 110%. They are drift tires. You can trust me. Whoever talked about shit about 120% of drift tires are wrong, because they'll actually see me slicks for Formula 1 tires. So bullshit. 110% are drift tires, 100% are normal street tires, alright? And the 90% tires in here, is just, a deal for yourself. If you want to actually race yourself off in the ice track with 90%, you don't know what drifting meaning, alright? 100% are the real one, because of the street tires, done and over. 110% tires, actually drift tires. 120% tires, actually the semi-pro drift tires, are actually close to actually Formula 1. Done, alright? Thank you very much for that exclamation here. Whoever came up with the idea and just trying actually to make my kind of mood a little bit dull done. You're not Japanese, you're just dulls. Next vehicle. Try to beat actually the record on myself. Single and this shit. A 3.8 I can't beat already. This is crazy. Most speed to get actually the maximum points is 1,500 points. Thank you very much for watching. Don't be so satisfied looking. Gambaremos. Could be that again. What the fuck? Well, I was driving aggressive and maybe 100 times again, and again. But I'm not a dull. Ist ja doch irgendwie wirklich die Körpersprache mit, oder? Nee, schon, ja. Next vehicle! Old Tommy. 1.6. Is this the one I can beat? These don't along with drugs. These girls. What the fuck? Companimas. Here, a car. It's silent. Oh crap, wrong button. Sorry for that. Come on! That was lousy. Nope. Pressed the wrong button, doesn't matter. I'm still actually minded by Mortal Kombat. I'm sorry. Oh shit, mate. Okay, that VC actually from Norway, Sweden. Give me an interest. Still makes points. Okay, next vehicle. Even didn't finish it down. Oh, look at that. That's a new car for 1 year ago. It's kind of a hyper interest about actually these, hold on. This Panther M5 goes actually into that Panther M5. 90th edition. The used edition. Look the craziness. Super deal done. Hype. No record done. Okay, let's be the done. 1500. Tjus af kampanje, zo wat ze doen, zo loot kopen, die next stream. Gambarimasu. Hey, motherfucker. Only one chance. Get up to 1.5. Nice one. Next vehicle. Testing all the vehicles right now on West Coast Arena, reverse and nighttime. Thank you very much. Somebody's just clocking in. Those cars are very high on actually volume. Don't know what's going on in here. The Vimy P30. Let's ready again. In Rust. We trust. 2.4. Try to beat it. Cheers up. Biru, number 7 today. Gambarimasu. Every car is different. That's why I like it so much. Oh, come on. fair. Oh, whatever. Next vehicle. What the hell was that problem? Her referee said just was not awoke. 114 vehicles actually down below in the 2 hours. Unbelievable. Not possible. Oh, hello, sunshine. Hold on. Oh, come on. Need to close actually my windows because there's a storm coming. There's never a perfect live stream, right? I'm getting my shoes for the work as well. God damn it. Can we cut that one off? No. Alright, here we go again. Next vehicle. What is the perfect actually on Hashigo, Hashiroko. An upgrade for 2 years ago. Didn't melt down actually to 1.5. Gambarimasu! Are you feeling actually Gava Mac and night for the bed down below in the stomach? You good? I need tequila first. Wow, tequila is actually warmed up. It's because the heat out there. Grabbed that for 20 minutes actually from the fridge actually out there. And now it's already warm. What the hell? Gambarimasu. Easy now. Where are you going? Oh, come on. Boggling. Well, we did the 1.5. Oh crap. Second win tonight and 7 losings. Yeah, the Thunder's cut now. Oh crack. Maybe it's raining hardcore tonight as well. What if it's over and going to Switzerland, Austria? It will come. Next vehicle. Dakosu. Sp.All. Are you dealing down with something? 1.9? Yeah, they. This is the aftermatch after DefRekka account just was hacked away for 3 years ago. Something that's crack. Me on DjVolgin account. Should be flowed up. Actually, DefRekka account on YouTube just got gained away this year on the 18th January. So what the fuck anyway? Nobody likes me, so the shit. I was never actually be personal for someone, or be racist or something. This crack. YouTube or Google just decided to actually go yourself in this crack. That's why I'm still in here. Thank you very much for watching a little while, and subscribe to a little down below. So who cares on me anyway? I don't care on myself sometimes as well. Everything's cleaned up, everything's, you know, passive, but this is kind of, who cares? They know me, I'm running, but literally nobody knows me, so who cares? No, I just actually try to find a girlfriend to fit it down my life or just destroy my life in the end. I'm kind of with these, I'm 37 now and just find my life not attractive anymore. For 20 years ago I just was saying go fuck yourself heaven, go fuck yourself hell. There's no God, there's no actually Satan, and it is like that. There's only extraterrestrials out there. They're solving the problems here on Earth sooner or later. That's it. Why following something? You live only once. But in the end, I work very hard, and everybody see that, and just be single. I'm still playing this virtually video games there or something called. Who cares, you know? But I care because I do deal done with alcohol a lot with this virtual. I have this CarX game here, especially drifting game. I was normally a rally driver, racing driver. I came over then in this drifting scene, and I liked very much. And it's fun. It's like the Need for Speed Pro Street grid. Then these drag racing, drift racing, speed racing. 2007, 2008. I grew up then drinking beer and find myself actually in this virtual scene, you know. I just deal a lot with communities, but right now I'm so much out because that was too much for me at this time age. So now, trying only to chill up and having fun. That's all. But the work is overgrowing more than actually the hobby what I have. That's it. Yeah. Chill up. Should make a car actually like this one near Waldenberger Pulse up here. Come on, mouse. Pretty car. Did I beat the record? No, I didn't. Sometimes there's something I tried 10 times and I can beat a good record. Trying actually after 2 years or 1 year or after all, I can't beat it. There was something with me then. Too much alcohol, only one car a night for 3 hours. Next vehicle. Come on the mouse arena. Oh, we didn't drop down. Best wishes then. 1500. Oh, my stomach, because Tuesday, Wednesday, just eat a lot of actually vegetables. My oven now works. The first thing, grilling your fish. And I was actually doing eggs, 20 eggs. So the last 1.5 or 2 days actually I was eating a lot of salad. That's something my stomach was saying actually, left side and right side. It's something, it's just saying pain. I can't even fart. Maybe it's just working actually on it, my stomach, my colon. I don't feel good. I was working today. Twice actually was a toilet and making some doodle butter. Something's wrong. Well, maybe it's just having some problems with my colon. I don't know. It was a stressy day in the morning, and until then the right hand of the boss was saying it's not stressy anymore. Friday, Saturday they don't refill actually the construction side on the outside, you know, to refill. To get the safety net actually for construction workers, they then have time. I was very stressed in the morning. To give every construction worker a little, you know, chance for work. That was already pissed off. If I make commands they don't like, I hate myself sometimes for that, because my, you know, kind of these actions I'm dealing done to pulls over. I don't want to make this up. My humor, my kind of fun is just a way. I just want to see actions right now the next 2 hours before the concrete is coming. Kind of this. I'm sorry for that one. I'm an asshole sometimes with that. I don't want to be and acting like that, but it's, I don't know. I see if you just make comedy or something these 2 hours and making clean up this one, clean up that one, just open this one up. I just control about this one. They don't want to do it then. So I have to be an asshole. Maybe I'm acting too much to like a behind comedy or something. It's shit. But come on. They know what I'm doing all the times. Can't they just saying, okay, he's an icon or something, I follow him? No, they don't. Even how young they are, how old they are, they give a fuck on you. That's why I'm always be like actually some kind of this Rambo. I'm just be a single worker. I just be making my stuff by myself. Even how angry I am, and nobody understand why I'm angry in the second. They don't understand myself. I grew up with 6 years to work up by myself. Because there was only one chance to work, because my stepmother was actually in my way until I was 12. So there was only work for myself. Only work. Not living love, or just be hugging, or just making birthday or something parties. This time I was getting friends. Because my stepmother destroyed my whole life. Who cares? Just up campaign so let's go to this next stream. If you wanna destroy me, destroy me. I just wanna hang myself or cruise myself. It's enough of life anyway. My life have sense, but well, if other wanna destroy me, well done, have fun. I have no friends. Difficult. How old do we get? How wise do we get? I still be wise. But everybody sees me like a traitor. Everybody sees me actually an asshole. They don't believe me, and then they see that shit actually happened not again, and they don't trust me. And I was wise, and they didn't believe me. Who cares? So that's why I'm just actually an asshole for them. Can say whatever I want. They don't believe me. They best believe in other construction workers or something. Whoa, 6.3? I can't be. Actually, I can't believe. No, I can't beat that. Be right back. Need to get the toilet. I'm trying to pee. Should actually make the microphone off. That's bullshit when I'm talking there for you guys. You from other countries. Bye bye. when I ever just did that, I just was turning my car over 180 and just coming back with this. You get a 2.4, 2,400 points actually. What's going on with this? Let's see. I need alcohol first. I wasn't told, and I'm sorry for that one. We never can. It's right now 20 o'clock 41 here. 40 minutes actually trying to deal down with every car. Not sure what kind of a car I'm driving here. Number 20 maybe? Not even. Okay, next day the part 2 is coming up for the 114 cars from 116 cars. Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, come on, mouse. Holy shit, I can't make points. It was without a crashing in a 180 of 4,000 points already. Oh my gosh. That Eclipse makes a lot of points. Alright, have it in mind. My internet stinks. I didn't do some special stuff. That Eclipse makes a lot of points. Need for Speed Underground, eh? This car pulls a lot of and dragging points out. Where we at anyway? 2,666,000 and 880. Oh, I give a fuck with this shit idea. Takes a long way to level 28. I give a fuck. Most surprising was actually the Eclipse in here. Nice one. Makes a lot of points. But who cares? Next vehicle. BMW V10. Oh, this car. A1. Yourself. 2,500, okay. Just pulls in roofs. West side. Dang funk. Good luck. Not a beer to drink. I want to get drunk. Boring. Nobody comment. What's up with you peoples and watching and stuff like this shit? How about that? Gotcha. Beat the record. Next vehicle. 200 points more. East Coast, West Coast. You know what the dig is? Phoenix, ja. So I tried it both times. 2,144. Try to beat it. With a whole fish in my stomach. 2 beers already. A bottle of tequila. The loading time is so short. Don't worry, mouse. Whoa, 6 point what? Oh my god, that's a extremely new record. What? 6.766. That's the best and newest record of myself since 3 years. Oh my gosh. That was perfect. In the beginning I thought actually I couldn't do that. Maybe a 3K, but that's it. But a 6.7K, oh my gosh. I crashed a long time, for actually a 2 point, a 3 pay. That was so much, what the fuck? 6.7. Oh my god, that's new. That's the newest record and for myself, for all the cars in low time. Oh my gosh. Somebody record that? No. Nobody. I don't care. That's yours is a record. For a cheap car, for actually this car can't do nothing in here. Maybe a 2 or 3 point. Shit deal done with a 6 point. Surprise. Good car. Who cares? Next vehicle. Thunderbird. Keep it going, American car. You need to beat the 1.7. Come on. As I was saying, the suspension work and all these cars are so especially. Everybody, I don't want to tell. Play the game and have fun. It's a drift game. A simulator? Yes, it is. I need to drink actually getting these beers still done because the other beers are actually getting low down actually on the temperature. Be right back by myself. Need to drink the beer done. Let's get drunk. Shoot, what the dealing done. I was so in a hurry today in the morning for 4 hours long. My right hand, the boss, don't believe me. Well, he's thinking all the time they are losers, they don't working. What the fuck? What's up tomorrow? I have no actually only got a bank and then calculating stuff together with these guys after 4 months. Getting finally having a special, you know, I don't know what it calls in English. Let's just say go fuck yourself. Fuck this online shit. If I'm zero, I'm zero. I'm going under the bridge. Kill me. Get all my stuff. Get richer and I'm going under the fucking bridge. Still working for actually high classified companies. You give a fuck. Then I know that my actually construction workers don't deal done actually very much with me. Not qualified for something else. If I'm going, then they're crying. If I'm not crying, they crying. Who cares? I'm not a loser. I didn't born like a loser. In the beginning, baby, I learned by my stepmother. Because my father and my mother was not there anymore. Found my love, they killed it. I was going to the Patrick family, and they killed my love to girls as well. I was nothing to them. They have now a doctor title and I have nothing. They're just dealing shit with you. Patrick family dealing done with your shit. That's why I'm not happy with them. My mind is saying, go fuck this shit, go to hell with these. I'm gonna slap them. Because only the daughters was something worth. And the Patrick family dude actually, kind of a chicken actually in the fucking court or something, that was something worth. No, they just handled me like shit. Well, they couldn't handle me because I was actually suicidal on the way. I hated my life so much. Why, just living, no mother, no father, nothing else. Like actually working, being a piece of shit. Dealing done with me as well. So for 16 years actually I was coming up to bring myself actually a hood. I teach actually myself, hey, that's the best point. Get an Xbox, a PlayStation, GameCube, all this stuff. Having fun with video games. So that's why I grew up this shit. I was in muscle in this time. Right now, I feel like shit. Nobody cares of me as well. So why a girl should actually care of me? What kind of a girl? I'm dealing done and cleaning up all this stuff. Why I need a girlfriend? Fuck that shit. My family's dead anyway. I don't need that shit. You should actually shoot actually all my family friends in here. That's all this stuff I can tell. They teach me in here. Well, in the same time, I teach them twice. Who's the fucking intelligent shit? It doesn't matter. They don't care. They handle myself actually like an alcoholic. Nope, I am not. I just dealing down with alcoholic to keep my actually mind dull and dull down. And the army time, they were saying you're very intelligent. But I was just saying, okay, whatever. Nothing is happening at home. Can I keep a little month, actually, a little bit more to you guys? So I decided how bored is this actually to go in a war. My decision actually kind of a 2019 shall be actually go to war, shoot yourself. I mean 2009. So go to Afghanistan, shoot yourself then. Because it makes no sense actually. You have no friends, they're always like kind of this shit. You're different and all this stuff. It's a piece of shit. This German army is a piece of shit, seriously. It is a piece of shit. No friends, no nothing. They're dealing like a corpse or something already. And they know I'm a little bit more like them. Who cares on them? Fuck that. I'm a piece of crap. I live alone since my fucking 4th year long. So I'm more than actually 33 years are living alone. What kind of a shit is that? And I'm a fucking normal person with a lot of intelligence and nobody cares of me. So if somebody just contact me right now, I give a fuck. You too late. Because suicide is just all what happens to me. Just been seen here and there, just cutting in there. Nobody cares, and I mean shit, it's crack. Just handling material in hours and all this stuff. For people that actually I don't want to know about them. Suppose I'm important, they don't give a fuck. If it should be important, they just don't give a fuck on me as well. And next day, I shall be important. We're actually closed down the file already. Then I shall be, important. Are you dealing death with health? If you want, I kill you then. The next day as well. These fucking Germans are so stupid and retarded. Have a lot of kind of these religion, but testifying actually monumental. You know, the commands are from them and shit. They can't even deal done with this shit. You need to be deal done actually all the times. We've been mastering this one and here and there. Have a diploma or something to shit. Welcome to Germany. I promise you, your Germany is not like 80s or 90s. They're dealing done with this shit. I think mostly actually the Americans and Chinese want to happen that Germany is completely corrupt and completely actually downfalling. And I'm the lost child. They don't like it. I hope the next day or over the night I get killed. But it's motherfucking CIA. It's motherfucking whatever they call it. NSA or something. I have too many informations. I'm going actually to Grotto actually for Russia because the Americans have some ideas. Whatever. That's how people's not actually more existing. They have very much important messages to get out in here. No, whatever, guys. You just watchers. Nobody cares anyway in here. Must be all the time something happened in Germany. Bullshit, dude. 20k something shit's coming up. You have a look at this shit. Follow this crack. Of Russia's ready. And they're not ready. Not my decision. Just make the plans. But who cares? Who helped America actually get away with Great Britain? I'm not Nazificide. I am not actually into the right scene or something. But who cares about the Great Britain? The Germans in America land. Who packed away actually these, you know, kind of Indians? That was Americans, citizens. You would tell actually something Germans was involved with this stuff? We helped you out to rot down the Great Britons, Scottish, Ireland. And you Americans hate Germans? Are you idiots or something? Oh man, dude. If you're 30 colonies, mostly actually Christopher was actually going over American mostly, that before America came over. Are you still believe that actually German have a little talking on you? I see so many Great Britons that hate 80% of Germany. They hate a lot. Because why? It's the national war on the 4th of July, whatever you want to talk about that one. We helped you to kill actually Great Britons. Welcome America. You should be actually welcome Germans. Just nearby to talk. I'm not a Nazified or something asshole, but I'm just a citizen of actually Germany, Bavaria, And we in Bavaria especially speaking American English? What's going on with you guys? We grew up actually in America as well. If you don't like Sweden, Denmark, especially Great Britain, I feel with you. Or Portugal, Christopher Columbus. Deal down with whatever you want. If you don't like France, oh, sorry for that one. You need to love France actually halfway. I don't like France, but you need to deal down to like France the halfway. Idiots. But deal done with your life, whatever you want. You don't even know about your flag. We Germans, we know where the flag came from, but you Americans don't know where the flag came from. 30 states, 30 stars, blah blah blah. We don't want to talk about that one. But please don't actually be adult. Has nothing to do with the flag actually for Great Britain. These little babies actually dealing down slave work all over the world. And since the Queen is dead, they're keeping it down and keeping a little bit get backwards with India, with Africa. Where America is actually saying nothing we have to deal done with these slavery works from, oh, okay, we have a little brother in Africa. But it came actually from Great Britain. They get slaved all over actually these black people to America. So Great Britain is the worst person actually that ever exists, right? Not the neo-Nazis, the Nazis or something. No, it's always Adolf Hitler, blah blah blah. You're talking very crazy shit in America. Oh, whatever. You're so soft with Adolf Hitler. I can't believe that. You American movie studios, 80% Americans believing Adolf Hitler was the worst person all over the world. Oh my god. You're the worst persons. You're living too much into movies, right? Deal done whatever you want. Maybe he's already back from Argentina, have sons, and wanna invite and just get into America and just whatever. You just were making new movies. Are you so stupid or shit? You're praying and doing nothing. You're dealing down and making us all over the world lies and making Germany as a piece of pig shit. Alright. You wanna do this shit? We have other ideas to crack America then. No problem this. You're into this. Without even having hand from Germany into America. Your fault. Make your wars, make your shit, make your weapon lobby, have fun. Mr. Perfect America is a piece of shit and number one actually an adult of terrorists and all over the world. Dot.
coaster. You just a roller coaster. Roller coaster, rolling, rolling, roller coaster. You just a roller coaster. Roller coaster, rolling. Yeah. I will just keep on going till I drop. I don't care about nothing else. I don't care about nothing else. Roller coaster. You just a roller coaster. Roller coaster, rolling, rolling, yeah. Roller coaster. You just a roller coaster.